How to improve kidney function after medication damage. Medication can sometimes place unexpected stress on the kidneys. When this happens, people often look for natural ways to support healing. Simple daily habits can make a meaningful difference. By protecting the kidneys, reducing inflammation, and improving circulation, the body gains a better chance to recover. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. This guide highlights practical steps to help improve kidney function naturally. 1. Increase hydration wisely. Water supports the kidneys by helping remove waste. Drink small amounts throughout the day instead of large amounts at once. Herbal teas like nettle leaf or dandelion root may offer gentle cleansing without overwhelming the kidneys. 2. Choose kidney-friendly foods. Nutrition is a key part of kidney recovery. Focus on fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens. Limit salty foods to prevent extra pressure on the kidneys. Eat moderate amounts of lean protein to reduce waste buildup. Adding turmeric, garlic, or ginger can help ease inflammation and support healing. 3. Support better blood flow. Light exercise improves circulation and oxygen delivery to kidney tissues. Activities like walking, stretching, or gentle yoga can strengthen overall kidney wellness without adding strain. 4. Consider natural supplements. Several natural options may help support kidney function after medication damage. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Coenzyme Q10 supports energy in kidney cells. Astragalus, traditionally used to support filtration. Cordyceps helps improve kidney endurance. Use supplements carefully and with guidance from a health professional. 5. Reduce everyday toxins. Avoid alcohol, smoking, artificial sweeteners, and unnecessary medications. Choose fresh foods and avoid processed items to lessen the workload on your kidneys. 6. Improve gut health. A healthy gut reduces toxin formation in the body. Include yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or other fermented foods in your diet. Prebiotic foods like oats and asparagus help maintain a balanced digestive system. Improving kidney function after medication damage takes time, patience, and consistent habits. By focusing on hydration, nutrition, natural supplements, and toxin reduction, the kidneys receive the support they need to heal. With steady effort, kidney function can gradually strengthen and long-term health can improve. This simple natural plan is a helpful step toward better kidney recovery and overall wellness. Do you want to repair your kidneys and improve your kidney function naturally? Learn the steps to lower creatinine levels and boost glomerular filtration rate. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.